Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl, Norlene. Thank you so much for joining in my kitchen. I invite you to hit that like button so that my content will be shared with more wonderful viewers like you. First of all, let me welcome my new subscribers. Thank you for joining in my cooking experience. So guys, today I am going to do a coconut vegetable stew. So I start by putting 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in the pot. To that, I've sauteed in half of a large onion and 3 cloves of garlic. And then guys, I add to that 2 cups of coconut milk. I allow the coconut milk to cook for about 10 minutes, guys. And then I add to that my carrots and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, guys, I'm going to add to that my beet and pumpkin, guys. I invite you guys to like this video, guys. Subscribe if you have not already done so, and share my channel with your friends and invite them to subscribe also. Now guys, after about 3 to 5 minutes, this is what it looks like, guys. I'm gonna add to that some carrots, guys, and some tomatoes, and then I'm gonna cover it to cook for about 2 minutes. Now guys, I have to remove my pumpkin at this point because they were cooking too much, guys, and I don't want them to be overdone, guys. Next, I'm gonna add to that some green peas. I'm gonna add some thyme, guys, and I'm gonna add some corn. I'm gonna stir this in. Now guys, this is a quick meal because see there, Madonna adding my season them already. I'm adding to that all my dry herbs and spices, guys, and allow this to simmer. Now the guys, this simmer look good, tastes good already, guys. As you see, me add a little bit of sugar to this, about half a teaspoon of sugar, guys, and then guys, I pour off all the sauce in another pot, guys, and allow this to reduce. No, guys, goodness is just waiting on me. Remember, guys, to hit the subscribe button if you have not already done so, guys. And of course, leave your comment, share your thoughts about this video. Next, guys, I pour back my sauce after it has thickened and reduced, guys, and just serve up all of this goody niceness. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, guys, and I'll see you next week. Thank you so much for spending the time in the kitchen with me. I'll see you next week.